Hello everyone and welcome back to Calm Step English, where learning English is easy and fun. I am John.
Hi John. It is so good to be here today. I am really excited about our topic.
Me too, Sarah. Today we are talking about something very important for all English learners.
Oh, what is that? Are we learning new vocabulary today?
Not exactly. Today I want to tell everyone to stop studying grammar rules.
Stop studying grammar. But John, that sounds very scary. Most students think they need grammar to speak correctly.
I know it sounds strange, but studying big grammar books can actually make you a slower speaker.
That is true. Many students spend so much time thinking about rules that they are afraid to open their mouths.
Exactly. They freeze up because they are worried about making a mistake with is or are.
I have seen that many times. It makes the conversation very stressful for the student.
So today, we will show you a much better way. It is called the 15-minute echo routine.
The echo routine? That sounds interesting. Is it like an echo in the mountains?
Yes, exactly. It is very simple. You listen to a native speaker and then you repeat exactly what they say.
Like a shadow? You just copy the sound of the words?
Yes. You don't think about the grammar rules. You only focus on the sound and the feeling of the sentence.
That sounds much more relaxing than reading a big textbook. How do we start this routine?
First, you need a short audio or video of a native speaker talking. Our videos are perfect for this.
Because we speak slowly and clearly, right? So what is the first step?
You listen to one sentence. Then you pause the video and wait for just 1 second.
Okay, I listen and I wait. Then what? Do I write it down?
No writing. You just say the sentence out loud. You try to copy my voice and my emotion exactly.
So if you sound happy, I should sound happy too. That sounds like acting.
It is like acting. You are pretending to be a native speaker. It is very fun and very effective.
Why is this better than studying grammar books? I think our listeners want to know the secret.
Because your brain learns the patterns naturally. It is like how a baby learns to speak.
That makes sense. Babies don't read books. They just listen to their parents and echo the sounds.
Exactly. And they become great speakers very fast. We can do the same thing with English.
I love that. It takes away all the stress. But do we only do this for 15 minutes?
Yes. 15 minutes every day is enough. You don't need to study for hours.
That is great news for busy people. You can do it while you are making breakfast or driving to work.
Yes. Consistency is the secret. Doing a little bit every day is better than doing a lot once a week.
What if I make a mistake while I am echoing? Should I feel bad?
Not at all. If you make a mistake, just listen again and try one more time. No one is judging you.
That is the best part. It is just me and the audio. It feels very safe.
It is very safe. And it helps you build confidence. You start to feel the rhythm of the language.
Rhythm? Like music? I didn't know English had a rhythm.
Oh, it does. Some words are loud and some are soft. Echoing helps you hear that music.
If you only read books, you never hear the music. You just see the black ink on the page.
Exactly. And that is why many students sound like robots when they speak.
I am learning English rules. Ha 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 ha. Nobody wants to sound like that.
We want to sound like real humans, warm, friendly, and natural.
The echo routine gives you that human sound. It is like a shortcut to sounding like a native.
It really is. I used this method myself when I was learning a new language.
Did it work for you, John? Were you able to talk to people easily?
Yes. Suddenly, the words just came out of my mouth. I didn't have to think about the rules anymore.
That is amazing. I want that for all our friends who are watching this video right now.
They can have it too. They just need to start their 15-minute routine today.
Before we go on, I think we should talk to our friends for a second.
Good idea, Sarah. If you are enjoying this lesson, please click the like button.
Yes, and please subscribe to Calm Step English. We love making these easy lessons for you.
Also, we have a question. What is the hardest part about speaking English for you?
Let us know in the comments. We want to help you overcome your fears and speak clearly.
Now let's get back to our echo routine. Sarah, do you want to try it with me?
I would love to. Give me a sentence to echo.
Okay. The weather is very beautiful today.
The weather is very beautiful today.
Perfect. You sounded very natural. Now try this one. I am going to the store to buy some bread.
I am going to the store to buy some bread.
Excellent, you see? It is very easy and it feels good to say the words correctly.
It does. It feels like I am already a great speaker. It gives me a lot of energy.
That energy is what you need. When you feel good, you learn much faster.
So, no more boring grammar books. Can I really throw them away?
Well, you can keep them on the shelf. But spend your time echoing instead of reading them.
I think I will use my grammar book as a doorstop. Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha. That is a good use for it. Your ears and your voice are your best tools now.
I agree. Our ears are like sponges. They want to absorb all the beautiful sounds of English.
And the echo routine is how you feed those sponges every day.
15 minutes. That is our promise to ourselves.
It is a small step, but it leads to a big change. That is the Calm Step way.
I'm going to set a timer on my phone right now. 15 minutes of echoing every day.
That is a great habit. In 1 month, you will be surprised at how much you have improved.
I can't wait to see the results. I feel so much more confident already.
We believe in all of you. You can do this. Just stay calm and keep echoing.
Thank you for sharing this secret with us today, John. It was very helpful.
You are welcome, Sarah. It is always a pleasure to talk with you. You know, Sarah, I was thinking about the 15-minute part again.
Yes. What were you thinking? Is 15 minutes really enough time?
For most people, yes. It is better to do 15 minutes of focused practice than 1 hour of unfocused study.
I agree. When you are focused, your brain absorbs the information much better.
Exactly. And 15 minutes is easy to fit into a busy day.
That is true. Even if you have a job and a family, you can find 15 minutes.
You can do it while you are waiting for the water to boil or while you are folding laundry.
Ha ha ha, I often echo the radio while I am cleaning my house. It makes the work go faster.
That is a great idea. You are turning a boring chore into an English lesson.
It really works. And it makes me feel like I am using my time wisely.
It is all about making English a part of your daily life. It shouldn't be a separate task.
Yes, it should be as natural as breathing or eating.
The echo routine helps you do that. It brings English into your world in a simple way.
I also like that it doesn't cost any money. You don't need a tutor or an expensive app.
No, you just need a video and your own voice. It is the most democratic way to learn.
Democratic? That is a big word, John. What do you mean by that?
I mean, it is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor. Everyone can echo.
Ah, I see. That is very beautiful. English should be for everyone who wants to learn.
I agree. And that is why we make these videos for free on YouTube.
We want to help as many people as possible to find their voice in English.
It makes me very happy when I read the comments from our students around the world.
Me too. When someone says, "I finally talked to a stranger today," it makes my day.
Those small victories are what keep us going. They are very powerful.
So if you are watching this, don't be afraid to take that first step.
Even if you only echo one sentence today, you are already moving forward.
And tomorrow you can echo 2 sentences. Step by step, you will get there.
We are here to support you every day. You are not alone in this journey.
That is right. We are one big family of English learners.
Let's do one more quick practice before we end the video.
Okay, give me a slightly longer sentence this time.
I am learning to speak English because I want to travel the world.
I am learning to speak English because I want to travel the world.
Perfect. You sounded so clear and confident.
It felt great to say that. It reminded me of my dreams.
English is a key that can open many doors to your dreams.
I want everyone to have that key, and the echo routine is the way to get it.
Well said, Sarah. I think that is a perfect place to stop for today.
I agree. I am going to go and practice my echoing right now.
Me too. I have a new video I want to echo.
Ha 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 ha! Even the teacher never stops learning.
Never. Learning is a lifelong journey, and it is a very happy one.
Thank you, John. This was a wonderful talk.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to everyone at home.
We will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
See you.